my son, his wife, and our little granddaughter. Pretty cool. I know, I'm a little crazy, but how cool it would be to open up the side of this plane, walk on the wing, and jump off with a parachute. Or hey, how about one of those wingsuits? Yeah, I know. Stay inside. Looks like there may be some mountain biking up in those mountains. Looks a lot like where we're from, Camarillo area, with these foothills all around the town. It's like a pretty big. All right, let's see how good this guy does landing. Very nice. Good job. Well, guess what? They forgot to pay their sunshine tax like we do in California. We're about ready to land in Portland, and this is what we got. That's okay though, because we're gonna see family and our little granddaughter.
He said, and our son and daughter-in-law.
That's right, that's family.
I didn't hear that. I mean, and Poppy's got you on the camera.
Huh?
Our first stop, Mexican food. Can't wait to dig in.
2, 3, 6. Let me hear you shout.
Can you shout?
Which one do you like?
That one? Try the other one on now.
Do you like this one? Well, you can't. This will come off after we buy it. But do you like that one, or this one, Hallie?
I like that one better.
And fans.
Huh?
Fans.
Hallie's dancing to the music of Frozen.
Oh,
Careful, you can get Hallie.
this.
What is that?
This window.
We're using the rolling pin to. Hi.
Hi.
Hallie, we are making cookies. Now, decorating time with Poppy and Hallie. They're decorating.
This.
Yes, decorating gingerbread cookies.
Yeah.
And Hallie tried one and it was delicious, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa! Look at you go! Wow! That's amazing! Woo! That was great!
Almost.
Good job! Now can you put them all in the bucket?
Hey! Oh, let me take some broccoli. We can play with the broccoli. All right. How do you want to catch the broccoli? Go.
Are you happy?
Are you happy? Huh? Close. One more time. 1, 2. All right, now we sing together. Happy birthday.
Sebastian, maybe something. Well, we are at Battleground Lake this morning, and it is Monday morning. And Carol, what do you have to say about that?
I told. It's 41 degrees.
Hallie, what do you say? Are you told?
Mm-mm.
No? Are
We're
you
waiting
warm?
for Daddy to come down here, and then we're going to take a walk.
Daddy,
Okay, let's move out of the way because there's a car coming too.
We've got some die-hard fishermen out here. Seeing if they can catch some breakfast. Pretty cool. So we are just doing a little exploring here. Battleground Lake. Beautiful winter day. Carol, you want to go walk on that log?
I don't think so, but this, the foliage here, it's just gorgeous.
You see that rope swing? Remember when you jumped off that?
Here.
Do you see those birds on that log?
Yeah.
Do you see him?
Yeah.
We're gonna go over there and see him a little closer, okay? What we had before.
It's always nice to get out and go for a little hike when you're on a vacation. Be a little bit active.
Yes.
To be sitting and eating all the time is not good. So that's why we're out here walking. Burn off some of that holiday cheer. Oh yeah. Okay, Carol, you ready to go? On that rope swing?
Maybe in the summertime.
So there's the rope swing right out there. I love those rope swings. They need to make that one longer again.
And look at, do you know what this is? It's like a fern. They're pretty.
Yeah.
We found a little wooden thing. Oh yeah, they call these bridges. Wow, look at that tree.
Look at right here.
Huh? This is like the secret garden, right? Maybe we need to sit on this
No.
thing here.
Funny.
Oh, no, up here.
Where?
Up here.
Up there's a Sasquatch?
Yeah.
Okay.
Allergies up here, Jacob?
No. Florida I did.
What's the sea level here?
Well, Portland is like 50 feet. Up here is probably 100, 150.
Oh.
Look at that.
What's in there? Is there a bear in?
We're almost there.
Oh, I have objects. I have objects.
Well, we're almost done with our little walk around Battleground. It is so gorgeous up here. I love it. Winter and summer, because we've been up here both times of the year. Just beautiful.
And how much do you love me?
I love you. I love you. I love you.
You mean Lalo?
Lalo, yeah, that's it.
So, buttons. Gorgeous. I'm so glad we got out. I would have had cabin fever.
We could have went somewhere yesterday.
Cabin fever. Okay. Then you'll be all worn out. And you'll have to take a nap for the rest of the day.
He's gonna fall asleep in the car. Are you gonna sleep in the car?
Where's your helmet?
Sometimes she wears it, but
No.
Bye. Hello.
my hand's cold.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
How fun?
Did you like that ride with Dad? Woohoo! Yeah.
Cheese. Okay.
Is that it? That's all you can say is cheese?
Oh my gosh. Say hi. You're driving me.
It's okay.